Hi friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. Today in this video, we'll see a real-time task to solve with lookup value tags function. So there is a one table here, dates are there, and here numbers and letters. Okay, the dates are there, and here numbers are there, and here letters are there. And second table, I have dates and the numbers. So my task is I have to display these corresponding letters against corresponding dates and numbers. Okay. So that is the task. So we can solve this task using the lookup value in the DAX. Let's go to the Power BI. Okay. So here I loaded the data. This is the first table and this is second table. So to use the lookup value, we should have these 1, 2, 3 numbers beside these letters. Okay. So then what we have to do, we have to do the unpivot the columns. Okay, transform unpivot columns. Okay, now it is feasible to use the lookup value function. Okay, there are numbers are beside these letters, and second table also we have dates and numbers, and here dates, numbers and letters. So now it is feasible to use the lookup value function. Now here it is the data type is test, but here all numbers are there, whole numbers, and here data type is test. If you use the lookup value, you will get the error because you cannot compare test with the numbers, right? Here it is numbers, here it is test. So if you write the lookup value function, it will throw the error because the type mismatch is there. Okay guys, so before going to lookup value, just change this type to whole number. Okay, then we'll go to the lookup value function. Okay, let's go here to Power BI visualization. Okay, so click on data 2, take the table here and put the date and number. Okay, so number don't summarize. Okay, and put the here date also, put the date here. Okay, and change the date format to this one. Okay, so otherwise we'll check the date format to this one, it will be good. Okay, so our task is to display corresponding letters ABC against these dates and numbers. For that we'll write the lookup value function. Okay, go to modeling, new calculated column. Okay guys, then we'll write the lookup value function. Not here, let me write the lookup value function here in this data 2. Okay, new column. Okay, lookup value function. So what is the result column? Result column is nothing but data 1 value, right? So what is the search column? Search column is data 1 date. Okay, and what we have to search? Search value is data to date, right? Data to date. And one more search is there. What is that? We have to search numbers also. We are searching the dates here, numbers also we have to search. So what is the search column? Data 1 attribute. And what is the search value to? Data to number. Okay, so what is the alternate result? If it is not found, we can display it's not found. Okay, so this is our lookup value function. What it is doing, it will search date in one table to date in other table, and number in one table to number in other table, and it will fetch the resultant value, that is letter. Okay guys, let's see the output. Let's run this. Okay, put the value here. So like this we'll get the corresponding letters to against corresponding dates and numbers. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more real-time tasks in Power BI tags. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.